Hello, and welcome to the Sketchbook Circle. This page has already been started for you. You don't need to redraw the cup, and you don't need to correct the lines. Before you add anything, take a moment to really look at the page. Notice how the lines are unsure. Notice the space inside the cup. This cup doesn't have to hold something visible. It can hold a feeling, a moment from today, or simply the quiet of sitting here with your sketchbook. You can begin wherever your eye keeps returning. There's no right place to start. Add one mark in response, then pause. Ask yourself gently, what fills my cup right now? You don't need to name it. Let the marks answer for you. You can fill the cup completely, or you can leave it almost empty. Both are honest and true. If you feel unsure, don't push it. Stay there, add one small line, or a shadow, or a touch of color, then stop. This page doesn't need to be finished today or in one sitting. You're allowed to return to it later, or leave it exactly as it is. When you're ready, put your pencil down, thank yourself for showing up. The cup and the page will always still be here. Before you explore deeper within yourself, let me share with you what fills my cup. This year, I made a commitment to myself to do more of what I love, and that is creating and through art and journaling. My cup is filled by the small quiet moments, creating something with my hands, getting lost in art, and feeling present in the world around me. It's filled by meaningful conversations, laughter with people I love, and the simple joy of watching a sunset after a long day. It's the mix of creativity, connection, and calm that reminds me why I do what I do, and it keeps me grounded. I struggled to put anything at first, so I draw what I'm craving, some hot matcha and blueberry cheesecake. This just started from an idea in my notebook, some doodles I do while at work, and now it's a completed page, shared with you through the Sketchbook Art Meal Club. Hope to see your version of this cup. See you next month.